In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on your laptop for free, step by step. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this guide will help you get the official desktop version installed quickly and safely. CapCut is one of the most popular free video editing tools out there. And if you make content for YouTube, TikTok, or any social platform, it's a great app to have on your laptop. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type CapCut Desktop Official Website, and make sure you choose the official CapCut page. It's always important to download software from the official source, so you avoid fake installers, unwanted software, or security issues. Once you're on the official CapCut website, look for the download option for desktop. If you're on Windows, click Download for Windows. If you're on Mac, click Download for Mac. The site should automatically give you the correct version for your device, but always double-check before downloading. After you click the download button, the installation file will begin downloading to your laptop. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or click the file from your browser's download bar. On Windows, the file may be named something like capcut_setup.exe. On Mac, it will usually be a DMG file or a similar installer package. Double-click the file to open it and start the installation process. If a security prompt appears, click Yes on Windows or Open on Mac to continue. Then follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Usually, you'll need to accept the terms, choose an install location if prompted, and wait for the setup to finish. This part is very simple, and the installer will guide you through it step by step. Once the installation is complete, click Finish or Open to launch CapCut on your laptop. The app may take a few seconds to load the first time, so don't worry if it starts a little slowly. After it opens, you can sign in or create an account if needed, or you can start exploring the editor right away. Now you have CapCut installed on your laptop for free and ready to use. From here, you can begin editing videos, adding effects, trimming clips, and creating content much faster than on a phone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.